joking. I was gonna take the afternoon to relax. You just have to do that to me? Very funny, Bird. You just became my top priority. So wherever the hell you are, come down here and face me like a goddamn man.
If you insist, Danny boy.
The fuck? Who said that?
What are we going to do with you, champ?
What are you?
I think you mean who am I? I'm Birdo, and I live in this tree. And you are trespassing by taking a nap here.
I have so many questions.
No shit, you're full of them. Now can we fight?
Whoa, all you did was poop on me. It's not a big deal.
Not a big deal? If you went to a party and a dude shat on your face, you would say it's not a big deal?
I get the feeling you haven't been to many parties.
Okay then, Mr. Party Animal, why don't you tell me what they're like?
There's way less feces than you seem to think. Look, there's a party tomorrow night. Do you want to come?
Oh my god, I thought you'd never ask.
Never have I ever shat on someone's face.
Oh, okay, I feel really targeted right now.
Come on, man. It's just part of the game.
I just feel like I was trying to come here and learn about something in life outside of bird poop. And instead I'm being embarrassed by someone I thought was my friend.
I think that's really unfair. I mean, it's not like I literally shat on your face.
Oh my god, you're still on that? That was yesterday. We're friends now. You need to just get over it and just try to like me for a change.
Birdo, you're being ridiculous. Let's go play Pong.
We got this, Birdo. Come on. If we both make it, we get balls back, and then we can end them.
No pressure much.
You got this, man.
We got this, Danny. If we both make the next shot, we can get 2 balls back and end them.
Okay, actually it goes to Chandelier first. We have to...
I don't want to hear it right now, Danny. Finish these losers. Yeah, you really thought you could defeat Birdo? Let me at him.
What the...
Well, until next time.
God, I hope there's not a next time.